with you guys. And Peter, if you could grab the 3 chords and just on the ground there for me, that would be really awesome. Play your feet there. And Brent, if you could do me a really big favor, over by the stereo there, you'll see an orange button on the ground. If you could press that orange button for me, yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, but thanks, Peter. I hate that people. And Brent, if you move on over to oh, sorry, Peter? You're Peter and he's Brent. Good. Alright, so, actually, Brent, can you hear your Brent, right? Yeah, okay, okay. But, Brent, there's one more thing I'm going to need for this for lighter. Somebody in the audience will have a lighter. Maybe ask your kids over here. Somebody in the audience will have a lighter. Oh, awesome, cool. And, Brent, you can have that right up here. Finally, wall. Now, somebody in the audience. Let's try. Hold on to this and then I toss that right back to you. And, Peter, you can hold on to it for just a minute. And Dirk, I just want to catch up the balance really quickly, okay? So Dirk, all I'm going to need is your left hand right here in my right hand. Yeah, hold my hand. Okay. Dirk, your right hand in my left hand. Yes, Dirk, we're dancing. Right, Dirk, you can hold on to the skateboard and never let go again. Okay. Now, Peter, the handle's right up here. Take one at a time, okay? So, okay. And actually, everybody, a really huge round of applause. Peter. Good. Peter and Brent. Oh, there it is. Huge round of applause for Peter and Brent. Absolutely awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, you guys can return to the stage with the audience. Thank you very much, guys. Absolutely awesome. Thank you. And, Dirk, on the count of 3, I'm going to get you to make a run for it, okay? Just remember one thing before you run away, Dirk. Make sure that you let go of the skateboard first. Not plenty of time before. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Dirk? Dirk, I'm really scared. Everybody, a huge round of applause for Dirk for helping out. He's been up for a long time. So much. There we go. All I have to do now is stand up, juggle the 3 chords, put all 3 chords out with my mouth, and make it safely to the ground. Keep in mind, the show is not over until I am safely on the ground. If I'm lying on the ground, I'm bleeding, I look like I'm doing some kind of weird contortionist attack, that's not part of the show. But, here we go. Step 1, standing up.